Hello everyone, and welcome to the introductory episode of the Overlord server. As you may already know, 1.18 is just around the corner, and me and my friends decided to play together. So this is gonna be the first time that I make a Minecraft playthrough on YouTube, and it's also gonna be the first time that I play together with other people. So I'm going to be playing with 3 other people, all of which I am very close to in real life, and one of them might be making YouTube videos as well. So as for the goals I have for this world, to make things a little bit more interesting, is to make a flat, chunk-sized surface for every block in the game, with some exceptions. And I have presented an example right here of how that may look like. Every single block dedicated to one chunk each, placed right next to each other. This can be any almost full-size block, with some exceptions like copper and wax copper. They look identical, so we will be excluding them. The second goal that I personally have is to build one of each of every farm in the game. These doesn't have to be really big farms or effective farms, they just need to work. And the third goal is to collect at least one of each of every mob in the game, and I'll try to include every variation as well. And then I'll put them on display somewhere. Those are gonna be my 3 goals to make the run a little bit more interesting. And we'll see how that goes. Now on to the mods we're gonna use. So the mods we're going to use for this world to make the experience a little bit more enjoyable for everybody is going to be the following. We are going to be using armor statues, AFK display, multiplayer sleep, graves, custom nether portals and nether portal coordinates, player head drops, anti-enderman grief, because enderman grief is the worst kind of grief ever. More mob heads, silence mobs, because mobs can be kinda loud sometimes. Spawning spears, and wandering trades. And of course, Optifine. And now, the final thing I'm going to be talking about is the plan for all 4 of us. And that is, there is none. We're going to be playing on a randomized map. We're gonna build the base together. And everything else that happens will be improvised. Just do whatever. And that's it. That is everything for this introductory episode. I'm happy you were interested in watching this. And I hope you show up for the first real episode. Up until then, goodbye. Have a good one. And one more thing. My name is Kurai Blue. I can't believe I forgot to introduce myself.